Hey guys, so Oneplus has announced new details of its upcoming Concept One smartphone, a prototype device that the company will be unveiling in full at CES 2020 next week. Earlier we believed it could be firm's first foldable phone, but the actual unveil is a bit less exciting, with Oneplus tweeting that the main feature of the Concept One will include an invisible camera module on the rear of the device. Basically, it's a disappearing camera which can hide the rear camera lenses behind the flush glass rear of the handset, revealing the trio of sensors only when they are in use. This effect is created by an electrochromic sheet of glass covering the phone's rear-facing cameras. The glass can switch between tinted and opaque with an electrical signal, letting Oneplus hide the phone's lenses without using mechanical covers. Disappearing cameras is all well and good, but I hoped they could implement that on the front camera rather than on the rear. But the idea is something new of using the electrochromic glass that involves adding another material on top of glass that typically goes on the back of the high-end phones. This technology also uses power to do that, which could be a concern for smartphone batteries. The most important concern is time taken to switch from opaque to translucent. If the glass's transition from tinted to clear causes you to miss a critical snapshot, then the benefits are moot. The electrochromic glass window on the Boeing 787 Dreamliner can take several seconds to shift from transparent to opaque to tinted. Lau says that on the Oneplus Concept One phone, the camera lens can go from off to on in just under a second. We will know more about that in the CES, so for that we have to wait some more. There are also problems with longevity when it comes to electrochromic glass. Continuous switching can degrade glass over the years, which will bring spots on the lenses, making it hard to capture photos. On top of that, the glass is not cheap, as both the glass and polymer layers are to be replaced. It's not like you can just peel off a single layer. And as for specs, it has the same rear camera specs as the OnePlus 70 Pro McLaren phone. The only difference is the electrochromic glass on the Concept One. Hence, for now this design has more cons than pros, but it's something new and I like it. What are your thoughts on this, and where can it be used alternatively to be more productive on the phone? Do comment below, and for more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.